आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 1st September 2020. The headlines are the former President Pranab Mukherjee passed away. 7 days stayed the mourning decline in his honor. Monsoon season of the Parliament to the Comer. From the 14th of this month, Unlock 4 guideline for the opening of more activities in COVID non-containment zone come into force today. JEE mains for the administration to the top engineering college in the country began today. Students preparing for the JEE and NEET exam allowed to the travel for the special suburban trains in Mumbai. Third CDO survey to find out the prevalence for the antibiotic against the coronavirus start today in a national capital. India received a development assistance loan worth for 3,500 crore rupees from Japan to fight COVID-19. Former President of India and the Bharat Ratna awarded Pranab Mukherjee passed away the age of 84 after battling a long illness. The veteran leader breathed the last at an army hospital in the New Delhi. The last evening, his son, as the Abhijit Mukherjee, took the Twitter and made the announcement. The medical condition of the former president declined yesterday after he went through the shock due to the lung infection. He was admitted to the hospital on the 10th of this month and was operated for removal of the clot in the brain. President Ram Nath Kovind, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi have been expressed the grief at the demise of the wonder leader. The President Kovind said the demise of the Pranab Mukherjee is passing off in an era. As a mark of respect for the former President Pranab Mukherjee, Nagaland government has declared the 7 days state mourning throughout the state from the 31st August till the 6th September. During the parade of the state, the mourning for the state flag, national flag will be flying at a half-mast or the building throughout the state where it is flying regularly, and there will be no unofficial entertainment. Several political leaders and the prominent people from all the walks of life demonstrated for the loss the political stalwart. And the tweet the Home Minister Amit Shah said the former president was the vastly experienced leader who was saved in the national with the utmost devotion. The monsoon season of the Parliament will begin from the 14th of this month and continue till the October for the 1st. The notification issued by the Lok Sabha and the Secretariat said the President Ram Nath Kovind said call for the lower house for the Parliament to meet the Monday and the 14th of the September at 9 a.m. Rajya Sabha will also meet at a different time on the same day, as it has decided that the stature and the sitting of the two houses due to the COVID-19 guideline. The Cabinet Committee on the Parliament Affairs and early recommendation that the Parliament monsoon season be held from the 14th September to the 1st of the October. The joint entrance exam JEE mains admission the top engineering college in the country will be the comments for today with the unprecedented preparation. About the 9.58 lakhs aspirants have the registered for the exam and to be the conducted from the 1st of the 6th September across the 660 center. Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh government has arranged the transportation for the candidate. A group of IIT alumni and the Students having launched a portal provide the transport facility to exam center from the nearly the aspirants. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has appealed to the Chief Minister support the candidate. The students appearing the JEE and NEET exam have been allowed to the travel by the specially suburban services for over the Mumbai, the suburban network of the Central and the Western Railway. Our correspondent report to move will be the benefit over the 50,000 students will be residing in the Mumbai and nearly area to reach the exam safely and on time. The railway has appealed to accept for the essential categories staff and the student will the accompanying appearing in the JEE and NEET exam and there are the requested not for the rush to its station. District Magistrate of the Lucknow Abhishek Prakash said that all the necessary arrangements are the place to complete the adherence in the social distancing and the view of JEE and NEET exam. The student will wear the mask. Sanitization of the examination center will be the take before every shift. JEE exam will be the held on the 9th center of the Lucknow between 1st to 6th September. The moral remand the former President Pranab Mukherjee will be reached at the residence on the Rajaji Marg around 9 a.m. from the Army Hospital. Official dignitary will be the homage for the 9:15 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. and the dignitaries will be paid the tribute for the 10:15 to 11 a.m. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has said the India Post provide for the cash done 629 crore rupees at a doorstep, to which 447 crore rupees were provided 32 lakhs people through the Aadhaar enabled payment system during the lockdown. Mr. Prasad said to the 60,000 food packets were distributed by the postal department in Bihar and over the 1 lakh India. In the Indian, the postal department has delivered the 10,133 tons of the medicine beside the ventilators and the personal protective equipment kits across the country. Mr. Prasad said that speaking at the inaugurating and the foundation stone laying the ceremony of the video conferencing from the various projects of a Bihar circle yesterday. The CBI questioning actress the Riya Chaturvedi and her brother the Shoaib for more than the 8 hours yesterday in the connection with the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. This was the 4th straight day for the questioning on the 28-year-old actress accused for the abducting and the suicide at a Rajput, who was found hanging in his flat and the suburban Bandra on the June 14. The actress and her brother were questioned at a DRDO guest house and the suburban Calanadia, where the probe team of the Central Bureau of Investigation in the station. The guideline issued by the government for the Unlock 4 will become for the 4th today. It will be remained the 4th till the September till the 13th. And the Home Ministry of the Saturday issued the new guideline for opening up the more activity in the area outside of the containment zone as part of the Unlock 4. According to the guideline, the metro services across the country will be resumed from the September of the 7th, and while the school and college will be remain shut. And the center has the power to allow the religious, political, social and sport gathering within the 100 people to take place from the September 21st with the mandatory wearing of the face masks and social distancing. International air travel accepts the permitted by the government will be till remain suspended. There shall be the no restriction on the interstate and the interstate movement, person and the goods, including those or the cross the land border trader under the Tri-Cities and the neighboring countries. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं